Hello friends, let's look today at this guy here. This is my first NWS pliers from Germany, of course, and it is called Peacemaker. Here you can see the packaging I removed from the pliers just now, and then we can see all the markings and promotional words here. Also another side of the flyer, functionality, quality, design, and also the options which this plier offers us. This is high leverage combination pliers, 200 millimeters. Also, you can see the part number is shown here. So now let's move on and see how itself the tool looks. As I already mentioned, this is my first NWS plier. I like it. Let's start from beginning and say a few words about the handle of this plier. This is not electrical resistant and other stuff. This is NWS usual handle, rubber with plastic. I feel that the handle has more rubber than plastic and I like it. This is earlier NWS handle style. Today, if you check these pliers, they have another styled handles. I had the chance to grab these pliers for about 20 euros and with no doubt I pick it and I like it very much. Here you can see the inside of the handles, NWS or NWS as you want. Let's call it NWS, it will be correctly, and made in Germany. Some of the guys call it pistol grip pliers, some call ergonomic pliers, but I already mentioned the name. Made in Germany, Solingen, NWS. Solingen is the city where NWS pliers are made in Germany, and Peacemaker on the other side of the head itself. Here is my wildly US made slip joint pliers, and the NWS is something different here, guys. Let's agree about it. It is not the plier which you have to use every time, but I think it is good addition to any tool lover's toolbox. Now let's see the jaws. I like the machining of the NWS here, and it remembers me the machining of my previous Connex or also Witte pliers. Now I show you what about I'm talking. Here it is. Can you see this machining elements here, how the plier head is machined? Similar here with the NWS, and I like it. The jaws are parallel, smooth, and high quality. Also, let's see here how they move. This is the lock mechanism, and if we open it, the plier head is spring-loaded and it opens without any tension. Here, once again, the plier operates and works very smoothly, and I like it very much. The head is exclusively double NWS steel here. It has some minor defects, but it is not a big deal for me. I don't think that plier or tool may look like a jewelry and other stuff. If you like, you can have your opinion, but this is heavy duty plier. This plier is made to be used in some applications, and this is not a big deal for me. So main options is to grab the bolts, then to grab the little things, and also to cut the wires. downside of this plier is that jaws does not open enough wide, and also it cannot bite the bolt very securely due to the narrow depth of the jaws. If we compare it to the regular slip joint, here you can see how big is the opening option of the wild plier versus NWS. But once again, guys, the main positive thing about this plier is that it has the angled head, and I think it would be great in some working situations. And also I think that anybody should own one Knipex Cobra in his toolbox or her toolbox, and also one NWS ergonomic high leverage pliers. So what can I say? Additionally, I recommend it to anyone. This is not promotional video. I picked this plier for about 20 euros, and I think that it is very reasonable price for this tool. If you check online, even from the USA, they cost about 45 and more US dollars, and on eBay it costs about 40-35 euros. About the handles, I want to say additional that I like the NWS handle much more versus the Knipex comfort grip, because Knipex has more plastic and NWS has more rubber in the handle. So guys, if you like this video, please thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and catch you in the next episodes. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.